This is not just another small light. This is the Nanlite Miro 60C. And if you are a vlogger, Reels creator, or YouTuber in 2026, this might be all the light you actually need. Small, clean, RGB portable. Let's talk about why this light makes sense for real creators. This is what I love about Nanlite. Simple professional packaging. No gimmick, straight to the point. Right away, you can see this is made for desk setup, vlogging, and mobile creators. Look at that design. Circular LED panel means soft, even light, perfect for face lighting. No harsh shadows, no ugly hotspots. The yoke mount is solid, so you can tilt it easily for desk vlogging, talk heads videos, product shots, overhead lightings. This is the kind of light you can leave on your desk permanently. Now, this is the reason it's called 60C. You'll get a full RGB color, not just bicolor. That means background color accents, creative reels, mood lighting, YouTuber intros, and B-rolls. You don't need extra RGB tubes anymore. This one light can do it. Let me be very clear. If you are a YouTuber, a vlogger, a Reels or TikToker creator, or someone shooting content at home, this light is more than enough. Pair with a Sony ZV-E10, Canon R50, R50 V, or Sony A7C series, or even your smartphone, and you are ready for professional looking setup. Another thing I like, this is a creator friendly, small footprint, easy to move, fast to set up, no heavy stands, no complicated rig. This is perfect for daily uploads, home studio, small room setup. What I personally like about the Nanlite Miro 60C is clean, soft circular light, RGB plus white light in one unit, compact and desk friendly, trusted Nanlite color quality, no overkill, just what creators need. In 2026, it's not about having the biggest gear, it's about having gear that works, fits your workflow, and makes you want to create more. And the Nanlite Miro 60C, this one of those tools. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe, and share. Comment below, are you using RGB lights in your setup or still pure white? This is Rphy Samstill, and I'll see you on the next vlog.